Ranking videos in YouTube search can help you get the traffic you need to start your online business that makes you money while you sleep. Good videos that rank in YouTube search can generate amazing traffic for your online business, and world-class ranking of videos can transform your online business into a money-making machine. I have been a YouTuber for just over 9 months now, and I'm already starting to see results. I've ranked lots of videos in YouTube search, some of them getting more than 75,000 views on a small YouTube channel. I want to share my secrets with you so you can also create a YouTube channel that will change your life. Now wait a minute, aren't there already a lot of courses out there on how to rank videos in YouTube search? Well, yes there are, and there are a lot of good ones out there. So what is unique about this course? Well, the others out there are simply about how they did it with hundreds of thousands of subscribers or even millions of subscribers. Now, anyone with that many subscribers can easily get lots of views on their videos. What this course is going to teach you is how you can rank videos in YouTube search so that you can get thousands of views even with a small channel when you're just starting out and without having any prior technical knowledge. What we're going to cover in this course. This course is broken down into 4 core modules. In the first module, we explore keyword research, where we show you how you can find the right keywords for your videos. That'll get you views, and we go into specific detail on why it's so important to find keywords with low competition when you're first starting out. Then we move on to the second module, CTR, or click-through rate. This is the most important module in our course, because if you can't get anyone to click on your video and start watching it, then you're never going to get any views on your channel. In this module, we cover how to write great video titles that capture people's attention. Then we go in depth on creating and crafting the thumbnails for your YouTube videos. You can think of your thumbnails as mini billboards for your videos. We want to make them as exciting and intriguing as possible. Your video description is the last piece of the CTR puzzle. We discuss how you can structure your descriptions so the YouTube algorithm knows more about your videos, and we show you how you can use your descriptions to promote your other videos and your social media pages. In the third module, we move on to the fun part of video creation. Here we will show you how to structure your video to increase your audience retention, how to create an outline for your video, how to write the video script, how to record your video, and how to save time editing your video in Adobe Premiere Pro. This is the taking action module, because if you aren't creating videos and publishing them on YouTube on a consistent basis, then you'll never reach the 1,000 subscriber mark. In the fourth and final module, we move on to some special optimization secrets that help you get the most out of your video. In this module, we cover the best way to upload your video to YouTube, how to find keywords that are related to your main keyword, that are still relevant to your video to help generate more views. We give you a going live checklist so you know you have done everything you can to optimize your video for search. And finally, we talk about the best ways to share your video for maximum exposure. Complete with real life examples of how we ranked videos when we were just starting out our channel. Yes, that's something else you'll get in this course. Real life examples of how we did it. So you can see for yourself that it is possible to achieve these kinds of results. Who will benefit from this course? If you want to start a YouTube channel and grow an audience that you can use to create an online business, then you'll benefit from learning how to rank videos on YouTube. If you've started a YouTube channel and you aren't getting any views on your videos, so will any person wanting to learn how to optimize their videos for search on YouTube. This course will help you get more views on your videos and help you build an audience using YouTube. I'm available to answer all your queries and questions about any of the course material and any questions that you may have about the technical aspect of ranking videos in YouTube. This course will grow and improve as we get more feedback from students about what is working and what isn't. It will also be growing and changing as YouTube grows and updates their platform. This course is yours for life, and you will have access to all the updates and improvements that we make. Remember, this is a teachable course, so you have the security of a no-nonsense 100% money-back guarantee. You have nothing to lose, so what are you waiting for? Join me for what I promise will be a fascinating journey.